Hello, everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to Daily English Conversation.
Today is day 1.
And today's topic is my daily routine.
We are going to talk about our everyday life.
From waking up in the morning to going to bed at night.
Let's start.
Let's go.
Good morning, Emma. What time do you usually wake up?
Good morning, Alex. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
Why do you like waking up early?
Because mornings are quiet and peaceful.
What do you do when you wake up?
First, I get out of bed.
Do you check your phone?
Sometimes I do.
What do you check?
I check my messages and the time.
Do you check social media?
Sometimes, but I don't spend much time on it.
That's a good habit.
Yes, I don't want to stay in bed for too long.
What do you do next?
I go to the bathroom.
What do you do in the bathroom?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I usually take a shower.
How long does your shower take?
About 10 minutes.
What do you do after your shower?
I dry my hair and get dressed.
What do you usually wear?
I usually wear a t-shirt and jeans.
Do you wear formal clothes to work?
No, I don't. I usually wear casual clothes.
How long does it take you to get ready?
About 20 minutes.
That's pretty quick.
Yes, I like to keep my morning simple.
Are you ready for breakfast?
Yes, I am.
What time do you usually have breakfast?
I usually have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
What do you usually have?
I usually have eggs and bread.
What do you drink?
I usually drink coffee.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Do you like tea too?
Yes, I do, but I prefer coffee in the morning.
Do you cook breakfast every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I make something simple.
What do you eat when you are busy?
I usually eat bread and fruit.
Do you eat quickly?
Yes, when I'm in a hurry.
What time do you leave home?
I usually leave home at 8 o'clock.
How do you go to work?
I usually go by bus.
How long does it take to get to work?
Tea takes about 30 minutes.
Are you usually on time?
Yes, I am. I don't like being late.
What do you do when you arrive at work?
First, I say hello to my coworkers.
What kind of work do you do?
I work on my computer.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, sometimes.
What time do you have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 12 o'clock.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat rice, chicken, and vegetables.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat alone?
No, I usually eat with my coworkers.
How long is your lunch break?
About 1 hour.
What do you do after lunch?
I go back to work.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Are you tired after work?
Yes, I am usually tired.
Do you go home directly?
Yes, I usually go straight home.
How do you go home?
I go home by bus.
Is the bus crowded?
Sometimes it is very crowded.
What time do you get home?
I usually get home at 6 o'clock.
What time do you have dinner?
I usually have dinner at 7 o'clock.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes I do.
What do you usually cook?
I usually cook rice, vegetables, and fish.
Do you eat dinner alone?
No, I usually eat with my family.
What do you do after dinner?
I wash the dishes and relax.
Do you help your family?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I usually relax at home.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV for a while.
What do you like to watch?
I like watching movies and videos.
How do you use social media? Do you go to work?
Sometimes I do.
Do you study English in the evening?
Yes, I study English every evening.
How do you study English?
I watch English videos and learn new words.
Why do you learn English?
Because I want to speak English better.
That's a great reason.
Thank you.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you check your phone before bed?
Sometimes I do.
Do you plan for tomorrow?
Yes, I think about what I need to do tomorrow.
What time do you usually fall asleep?
Usually around 10:30.
Good night, Emma.
Good night, Alex.
And that's the end of today's lesson.
Today we talked about my daily routine.
We talked about morning, breakfast, work, lunch, dinner, and bedtime.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
And come back for more daily English conversations.
See you in day 2.
See you next time. Bye.